Out of the ashes, I'm going to come up on top. As many as I can get for $3 each. As many as I can cram in a box. They're worthless. These aren't just car parts. They're a part of me. What do you want me to say? It's all gone. It's lost. How can we rebuild it? Keep me down, I'll be #1 again.
Hey, I got in the ring. I had a fighting shot. My first crush out, I crushed 1,000 cars.
I'm going to funnel this into a much better machine. I'm going to utilize this, fine-tune it. I'm going to diversify twice as many assets. There's kind of a certain element to the thrill of the chase. I buy something for $2 and I sell it for $100. There's an adrenaline rush there. There's a, ha, I did it. I'd like to show people how to do that. Get off the couch and do it yourself. That's what the modern entrepreneur is all about here.